Okay, good afternoon, class. This is our first class of the year, and we are beginning with units of measurements. Now, measurements can tell us how many or how much of something there is. And a fundamental part of any measurement is the unit, which means one part of what we are measuring. So different types of measurements are given in different units. So we have length, such as meter, volume, such as the liter, time, seconds, and mass, kilogram. So for the types of quantities listed above, we have the international standard unit. And we have the unit of measurement, the metric system. So for a given unit, we usually have to work with measurements much smaller or much larger than 1 unit. The metric system is a way to express measurements as they increase or decrease by powers of 10. So let's say we have U. Let's U represent 1 unit. So 1 kilo unit is 1,000 units. 1 centi unit will be 0.01 unit, or 1 divided by 100 units. 1 milli unit is equal to 0.001, or 1 divided by 1,000 units. And 1 micro unit, this Greek letter mu is used to represent micro, is 1 over a million units, right? So units can equal units when you're converting them. So whether that's the units here is our units of volume. So it could be 1 kilometer, 1 kiloliter, 1 centiliter, right? Now in time, we don't have kiloseconds. We have minutes and hours. So that is where that is different. Right, so we know that 60 seconds make up a minute, and 60 minutes make up an hour, 24 hours make up a week, and then it goes to days. 24 hours make up a day, my bad. Right, and in mass, we have milligrams. We actually, for mass, we have micrograms, milligrams, then kilograms, right? As well as grams. Now, when we're dealing with volume, volume means the amount of space an object or substance takes up. So for solid shapes with dimensions of length, we measure volume in units of cubic meters. And for liquids, we measure volume in liters. So let's say, for instance, you had a cube, and the cube is solid wood, and you had the dimensions. You would measure the volume of the cube would be in cubic meters. Whereas if you had a bottle of water, the volume would be in liters, right? When we convert from meters cubed to liters, we know that 1 meters cube is equal to 1,000 liters, or 1 kiloliter. And 1 liter is equal to 0.001 meter, or meters cube, or simply saying 1 liter is equal to 1 over 1,000 meters cube, right? Which is equal to 1,000 centimeter cube. So I want you guys to take note of these when you get your slides. I want you to especially make note of these and remember, learn it, let it become you. So because solid volume is measured in units of length, such as meter to the 3rd power, we cannot convert to smaller units like centimeter cube by multiplying by 100. But we have to multiply by 100 cube, which is 1 million. And to convert meter cube to kilometer cube, we would divide by 1,000 cube, which is 1 to the power of, and let me show you how this annotation actually works. All right, just a second. All right. So we have this is actually, so 1,000 cubed will give us 1 billion, right? And we can also simplify this in expanded form, saying 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of however many zeros they add. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. So you can say 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of 9. Now, Aliyah, Kimoy, and Justin, if you are not understanding what I am saying, I need you to stop me and say, Miss, I don't understand. Please explain it again. That is what I am here for. I will explain it. I will not get angry or any of the sort, and I'll explain it again. Okay, thank you for letting me know, Aliyah. Tell me, which part did I lose you? The whole thing. Justin, Kimoy, are you with me in regards to the notes? Are you guys understanding?
Say I kind of lost when it comes to the unit of volume.
The unit of volume. All
Yeah.
right. And Kimoy, how about you?
Same thing.
All right. So Aliyah is kind of lost on the entire thing. So I'm going to go it over again slowly. And what I'm actually gonna do is sorry guys, I didn't realize that I was in mute. I thought you were here. As I was saying before, is that measurements can tell us how many or how much of something there is. And I drew this line here, right? I drew this line here. Right. So let's look at the line first. Let's say this line is 5 centimeters long. What this does, it tells us the length of this line. Now this line can represent a line on a triangle, a line on a square, and it can even represent the line that forms the circle or even the diameter of the circle. Because what the difference between the line being straight and a circle is that it's curved, so there's angles, just as with the square, and it has a width. So it wouldn't be, the width would not be, the width would not be the width would not be static like the line is or linear. Instead, right? Instead, it will be called the diameter, right? So, Aliyah, are you familiar with length of side? So in a triangle, you have the length of the side, you have the angle. In a circle, you have the perimeter, which is what goes around. You have the area, as well as you have excuse me, everyone. I'm just experiencing a fit of sneezing. Just a minute. All right, sorry about that. Okay, so Aliyah, again, I'm directing these questions to you. Are you familiar with the terms, these terms down here? Centimeter,
Yes, miss.
meters, kilometer. What are these? What are these units? Now, if you notice something, you notice that this tells this in the line, it tells you how much centimeters. This is what we refer to as the unit of measurement. Do you understand that, Aliyah?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Kimoy, Justin, you're with me?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So now we look here. We use length to measure meter, right? And I'm gonna get rid of these shapes here. I'm just gonna get rid of these shapes. And so We have units of measurement for distance. All right. And next we have units of measurement for volume, right? So we have milliliters, we have liters, and we even have, as shown here, we have kiloliters. Right? So are you guys noticing a pattern here? We also have, mind you, we also have centiliters as well. Huh? We do have centiliters. We have millimeters. Right? And here we can have centiliters. So I'm gonna do in mass, right? I'm gonna do mass. So for mass, we have units of measurement for mass, and we have milligrams, we have centigrams, and we actually start off with the smallest, which is micrograms. Right? We have grams, and we have kilograms. Right? These are our units that we use, right? These are our units that we use when we are making our calculations. So, Aliyah, this is for you. What do you notice is the same amongst these three types of units? Aliyah?
Miss, what do you mean by that?
Okay. So between units of measurement for distance, units of measurement for volume, and units of measurement for mass, what do you notice is the same in each of them? Anybody willing to help out? Justin, Chimoy?
Earlier, I had to watch how all of them had the same milli and centi and kilo.
Well, yeah, in it. So,
That is correct. Aliyah is seeing it now? So I'm separating it. I'm sorry if you're hearing my mom in the background calling our dog. Please forgive it. It's feeding time for them, and they're also going for their usual evening work. She's not good at managing them. Usually I do it, and I'm here with you guys. So just forgive the background noise. Okay, so we have 10 minutes, guys. What we're actually gonna do is we are going to take we're gonna take a 5 minutes break, and I want everybody to log back in 5 minutes time. Now I will have the meeting running immediately, but I want you to take each 5 minutes break. Do whatever you want to do in that 5 minutes, get some water to drink, go pee, whatever you want to do. Your 5 minutes and log back in after that, okay?
All right, miss.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, Ali, I understand what you're saying. We'll sort it out after class.